look at the notes that make up a chord, both a major chord and a power chord. A major chord like this, and a power chord that might sound like this. First, we'll look at the notes that make up a major chord. So we'll start with a root note. The lowest note is going to be your root note. This is a C note, so this is going to be a C major chord. And that first note, then build on top of that is the second, third note, and then the fourth, fifth note. So we have our first, third, fifth notes of our scale. And then the last note here is going to be our 6, 7, back to our 1. So we have first, third, fifth, and then up to our 1. We have our low C and our high C. For power chords, we are only going to play 3 notes. We again are going to start on the root note or on a C. So here's a C on the 8th fret of the E string. And then on the next string, we are going to add the 5th note. Let's see how we get there. There's our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's our 1 and our 5 together. And then we're going to add a C on top again when we get back up to that 1. So we have our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, our 1 and 5, and then our 6, 7, 8, or back to 1. That's our C again. So we have a 1, 5, 1, and that's our power chord. It's just those 3 notes. The interesting thing about power chords is that they are not major or minor, because it is that third note that makes a chord either major or minor. Whether it's higher or lower makes it major or minor. But remember, in a power chord, we only have the first, the fifth, and then the first again. To find your power chords, you just put your first finger on the root note. So let's say we wanted to play a G power chord. We would put our first finger on a G. So we have E, F, F sharp, G, and then make that same shape. If we wanted to play an A power chord, just move it up to A, B, C, so on and so forth. It's the same shape that moves. Same goes starting on the A string. So if we wanted to play a C power chord, we learned it up here already, but we could also start on the A string, A, A sharp, B, C, make the same shape, and there's another C chord. So now you have your C major, you have this C power chord with the root on the A string, and this C power chord with the root